This is snow. Snow is the color white. Snow is cold. Hello, I'm Justine. I live in Canada. It is winter in Canada. There is lots of snow. This is snow. Snow is the color white. Snow is cold. I am warm. I am warm because I'm wearing lots of clothes. My head stays warm because I'm wearing a hat. My warm hat is red. My warm hat is the color red. In Canada, we call our warm hats toques. This is my red toque. My neck stays warm because I wear a scarf. My scarf is the color green. It keeps my neck warm. My body stays warm because I wear a coat. My coat has a zipper. My coat is the color red. My coat and my toque are the same color. My coat and my toque are both red. My legs stay warm because I'm wearing pants. My pants are the color black. My feet stay warm because I'm wearing boots. My boots are very warm, and my feet are happy. Happy, happy, happy. Come here, Ruby. Aww. I like to walk in the snow. There is lots of snow. It is very deep. I like to look at the trees when they are covered with snow. But I don't like to feel cold, so I wear my warm clothes. There are many things to do outside when it's cold. You can go skiing or snowboarding on a big mountain covered with snow. You can walk to the top of a hill and slide down on a sled. Children love to go sledding. You could build a snowman or make a snow angel. You can also skate or play hockey. Canadians are famous for playing hockey. You can play hockey on a rink inside of an arena, or you can play hockey on a frozen pond or a frozen lake. For me, the best part about being outside in the winter is going back inside when you're done. I like to be warm. Now I am inside. I like to sit very close to the fire. The fire is hot. I like to drink tea and sit next to the fire. Would you like to visit Canada in the wintertime? You can sit next to the fire with me. Bye.